Hello students, I am Rahul. In mathematics, today we will start a new chapter, integer. We will cover all these topics in this chapter. So before starting with the integers, let's talk about the natural number and whole numbers. The natural number are the numbers which are positive in nature and includes number from 1 till infinity. So from 1 till infinity, these are the natural number. What about the whole numbers? The whole numbers, all the natural number, means it will include all the natural numbers and including 0. It will include all the natural number and it will add what? 0 also. So the whole number is natural number along with 0. Now let's talk about integers. The system of whole number together with negative number are called integers, or we can say the collection of whole number and negative numbers together is called integer. Here it is, these are the whole number, and what we did, we add negative numbers in the whole number together. This is called integer. So what does integer will consist? Integer will consist natural number also, whole number and negative numbers. Let's say it in a diagrammatic form. These are the natural number, and if I'll add 0 in the natural number, what it will become? It will become whole number. And in the whole number, if I'll add negative numbers also, like -2, -1 and so on, then it will become integers. Now it is integers. The integer is the whole number and including the negative numbers. Okay, now few notes you have to remember. 0 is neither negative nor positive. Okay, all the natural number are positive, and the negative sign in the integers, it won't indicate the subtraction. This is just a part of the number. Now why do we need the negative numbers? See here, this is the ground level and the flight is there above the ground level 1000 meter, and the fish is there 1000 meter below the ground level. Both are 1000 meter away from the ground level. So can we say that both are same? No, we cannot say both are same, because the flight is 1000 meter above the ground level and the fish is 1000 meter below the ground level. So for these to differentiate between them, we need some directed numbers. So for that we are using the sign. This is the plus sign that indicates 1000 meter above the ground level, and we will include minus here. This means the fish is 1000 meter below the ground level. Just like here also, here is my tree. The girl is standing 5 meter right of the tree and she is standing 5 meter left from the tree. So I'll write it plus here and I can write minus here. We can consider the example of temperature. Temperature can go below 0 degree. To represent this, we required minus sign on it. So for that reason we need sign. So there are the few terms which will be helpful while solving the question. Opposite of the profit is loss. Deposit and withdraw, they are the opposite term. Deposit means you are adding some money into your bank account, you are saving some more money into the bank account, and withdraw means you are taking out your money from the bank. Okay, east and west are the opposite terms. North and south are opposite term. Just like this, down and up are opposite, above and below are opposite, right and left are opposite. So here are the question in assignment 4.1. Let's discuss one by one. So here's the question number 1. The collection of negative number together with the collection of whole number is called integer. That comes from the definition of integers. 0 is, it is neither a positive number nor a negative number. Okay, so option 3 is correct. These 3 questions are similar kind of question, and how to solve this question, let's see it. The question number 2 is every whole number is a natural number? To solve this kind of question, what you have to do is just write the whole number, the set of whole number. So let me quickly write. The set of whole number include what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, and so on till infinity. And what about the natural number? N is equals to, it will contain what? Numbers from, all the positive numbers from 1, starting from 1. So here it is. Now just compare these two. Now if I found all the whole number in natural number, then we can say this statement is correct, otherwise this statement is false. See there, from here till last all the numbers are there in the natural number, but the 0 is not there in the natural number. So the whole number, every whole number is not a natural number. Okay, 0 is not present in the natural number, so we can say that every whole number is not a natural number. So this is false, or we can say no. We can say no. Let's see the question number 4. Find the number which is an integer as well as the whole number. So let me quickly write the integers and the whole numbers. So let me denote integer by I, and integer include what? All the negative numbers as well as the positive numbers. So here it is integer, and I have to compare integer with what? Whole number. So let me write the whole numbers. Whole number start from the 0 and till goes till the infinity. Now let's compare it. Find the number which is an integer as well as whole number. Means there should be some number. I have to find out some number which is there in common in both. Is -2 is there in the whole number? No. Is -1 is there in the whole number? No. Is 0 is there in the whole number? Yes, it is there. So 0 is the number which is there in integer also as well as in whole number. So we can say we just have to find one number only. So we can say 0 is an integer as well as whole number. Okay. Now we have to find out the opposite of these terms. The deposit of 1000 rupees in an account. Just now we have seen that opposite of deposit is withdrawal. So we can write, so here we can write a withdrawal of 1000 rupees from the account. Okay. The question number 2, going 80 kilometer towards the north. Here it is the north, just opposite of the north is south. So we can say going 80 kilometer towards the south. The question number 2, instead of north, what you have to write? You have to write the south. Similarly, you can solve the remaining questions. Now question number 6, indicate each of the following with an appropriate integers. Now we have to write, instead of this, we have to write the integers. We have to represent these in the form of integers. So let's solve the question number 1. 16 meter above 0 degree. So here it is the 0 degree centigrade. Okay. Now if I'll go 16 degree centigrade above, means what I can write, it is plus 16. So the answer number 1 is plus 16. Okay. The question number 2, 15 meter above the ground level. Suppose I'll expect this one is the ground level. So what I have to do is 15 meter above the ground level. Here, somewhere here it will be. So I can write plus 15. Question number 3, the withdrawal of 600 from an account. Just now I explained the withdrawal means you are taking money from the bank, means the money which is there in your bank account, it will be reduced. Okay. So the withdrawal of 600 can be denoted by minus 600 in the form of integers. Question number 4, 16 meter below the sea level. Here is the sea level, and if I'll go 16 meter below, then what I have to write in form of integer? Minus 16 I have to write. Solve all the questions from the assignment 4.1 in the same copy where you have solved the chapter number 1, 2 and 3.